This portion is brought to you by Enchanted Kingdom, where the magic lives on and on. Bago natin silipin ang fireworks competition sa EK, pakinggan muna natin ang kanilang bagong promo para sa mga EK lovers. Here is Miss Cynthia Mamon.
We just launched our Enchanting exclusive card, EK card, EK Pass. It's a privilege card for only 2,500 pesos, and you have unlimited access to Enchanted Kingdom. I'm sure you will like this because imagine you can just come in anytime with this card. But of course, we also use this as a discount card, so that means you have actually 20% on about 6 companions per day. And of course, we have 10% on restaurant and 30% on EK special ticketed shows and 5% on selected merchandise and food. So more and more, we will introduce additional privileges and offerings as we celebrate and of course offer everyone the 2,500 pesos Enchanting Exclusive Pass or EK Pass.
And as part of its 18th anniversary special, EK held the first International Wizardry Fireworks Competition. A series of eliminations won a local fireworks manufacturer the honor of competing against the best from Malta, USA, Canada, Spain, and China. Different colors burst the sky, and stunning musical scores amazes not only the eyes but also touches the heart of each and every guest. Judges had a hard time in choosing kung kaninong wizardry entry ba ang dapat manguna. And at the end of the night, Malta, Spain bagged the second and first runner-up spot, and the grand prize award goes to the witty presentation of the Philippines, with 92.8 scores from the judges.
Darating pa lang yung alam ko merong competition sa Enchanted, pero hindi ko alam na international. Pinagandaan ko yung elimination. Naganda na rin ako para sa talagang gusto kong manalo ng ng elimination. Kaya nakuha ko, ganun pa man, nakahanda na rin ako sa mga sa darating na international. Pero kaya maganda naging resulta.